Presenting boAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone that is lightweight and comfortable for extended use. The wireless headphone comes with inbuilt mic for hands-free calling experience even on the go. With a 300 mAh battery, the headphone provides up to 8 hours of playtime. boAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone is lightweight and is ergonomically designed for all-day wear. The headset has padded ear cups for added comfort. This boAt headphone features 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver immersive high-definition sound to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. It comes with dual mode, allowing for both Bluetooth and aux connectivity. The headphone comes with integrated easy access controls and a single-press voice assistant. boAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone is available in 3 color variants: Gregarious Green, Fiery Red and Buoyant Black. Inside the box you will find boAt Rockerz 370 headphones, micro USB cable, aux cable, manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.